Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons out of clay only way. Start by gathering polymer clay, a pasta machine or roller, cutters, sandpaper, and varnish. Condition the clay until soft, blend colors in small batches, shape 2 matching shells, texture lightly with a paper towel, bake according to clay instructions, sand to smooth, glue shells with a thin seam of faux filling, and seal with a satin varnish for a realistic finish. Now we will shape the shells step by step with patience and care. Roll clay sheets evenly, cut pairs of circles, and gently dome each piece to mimic a macaron shell. Use a toothbrush or paper towel to add subtle texture and create a ruffled foot by pressing the edge lightly. Keep thickness consistent with spacers, measure diameters for matching pairs, and set pieces aside briefly before baking to reduce warping. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, I love the little speaker shown here because it fills my craft space with music and keeps my hands free while I work, which is handy when molding tiny details. Look in the description for the Echo Dot link and extra deals I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. After baking and cooling, assemble your faux macarons with a calm, steady hand. Sand any rough edges and match shell pairs before applying a thin bead of faux filling such as tinted clay or acrylic paste. Press shells together gently, wipe excess quickly, and let set. Finish by sealing with a satin varnish for a soft sheen, and inspect each piece for balance and texture so your miniature treats look delightfully convincing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.